Have you ever wondered how businesses, especially those operating internationally, manage their finances? From payments to currency exchange, it's a complex world. But what if there was a single platform that could streamline these processes? Today, we're diving into the world of Airwallex. Imagine a world where global transactions are as seamless as sending a text message. That's the vision Airwallex has brought to life. Airwallex is a global financial technology platform that simplifies international payments, currency exchange, and treasury management. It's essentially a one-stop shop for businesses looking to expand their operations beyond borders. Key features and services. Global payments. Airwallex offers a wide range of payment options, from card payments to bank transfers. Their platform ensures secure and efficient transactions, no matter where in the world your customers are located. Currency exchange. Need to convert currencies for your business? Airwallex provides competitive exchange rates and often offers better deals than traditional banks. Treasury management. Managing your treasury can be a complex task. Airwallex offers tools and services to help you optimize your cash flow, manage risk, and make informed financial decisions. Embedded finance. For businesses that want to offer financial services to their customers, Airwallex provides embedded finance solutions. This means you can seamlessly integrate financial features into your own platform. How does Airwallex work? The Airwallex platform is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. Here's a simplified breakdown of how it works. Create an account. Businesses can sign up for an Airwallex account and provide necessary documentation. Connect your bank accounts. Link your business bank accounts to the platform. Make payments. Use the platform to send and receive payments in various currencies. Manage currency exchange. Convert currencies at competitive rates. Access treasury management tools. Utilize tools to optimize cash flow and manage risk. Benefits of using Airwallex. Cost-effective. Airwallex often offers lower fees compared to traditional banks, especially for international transactions. Efficient. Their platform is designed to streamline processes, saving you time and effort. Secure. Airwallex prioritizes security and employs advanced measures to protect your financial data. Global reach. With a presence in multiple countries, Airwallex can support your business operations worldwide. Let's hear from some businesses that have benefited from using Airwallex. Insert testimonials or case studies from real-world companies. Airwallex is more than just a payment platform. It's a comprehensive financial solution that empowers businesses to expand globally and thrive. By simplifying international transactions and offering a range of valuable services, Airwallex has become a trusted partner for businesses of all sizes. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about Airwallex or global finance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.